Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Align tool and all its features. Let's begin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Align tool. Use the Align command to align one or more elements with a selected element. This command is generally used to align walls, beams, and lines, but it can be used with other types of elements as well. The elements to align can be of the same type, or they can be from different families. To access this command, go to the Modify menu, and then select the Align tool. With it selected, have a look at the options bar, and select the desired options. Select Multiple Alignment option to align multiple elements with a selected element. As an alternative, you can press Ctrl while selecting multiple elements to align. When aligning walls, use the Prefer option to indicate how selected walls will be aligned, using wall faces, wall centerlines, faces of core, or center of core. To align, first click on the element you wish to align to, and the second click should be on the element you wish to align. You can select one or more elements to align with the reference element. Before selecting, move the cursor over the element until the part of the element to align with the reference element is highlighted. Then click it. If you want the selected elements to stay aligned with the reference element, click the padlock to lock the alignment. To start a new alignment, press Escape once. To exit the Align tool, press Escape twice.